18. These are the concepts. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter meaning total, a sum of all sides. Any shape you want perimeter, you have to add the all sides, then you will get a perimeter. Another name is circumference. When circle is there, we will not say perimeter. Circle means circle, we have to find out circumference. Circumference and perimeter same meaning. Okay. Circle having no sides, so we are telling circumference. Perimeter meaning sided figures, so you are adding all sides. Clear? Now area of the square. Area of the square equal to side into side. Perimeter of the square equal to 4 into side. Now I will show you how the formula coming in rectangle and square. Rectangles meaning opposite sides are equal. Breadth, length, opposite sides are equal. That closed figure we are telling rectangle. Okay. Then perimeter meaning you have to add the all sides. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. That is 2 will come common. Left out length plus breadth. Like that only square also. Square all sides are equal. So length plus length plus length plus length. How many length? 4 length. That is 4 into side. Length we are telling side because all sides are equal. So rectangle perimeter 2 into length plus breadth and square perimeter 4 into side. In the question fencing. Fencing meaning you have to find out the circumference. Fencing, a decoration of 4 walls, a decoration of 4 sides. Only sideways, whatever you will do, you have to find out the perimeter. Painting, canvas, a tiles you have to paste. You are pasting anything, you are doing anything on the surface fully. Then you have to find out the area. Clear? Number of tiles, number of whatever you want, number of anything you want to paste anywhere. So what is the formula? Number of tiles to paste in the floor. Put it in the floor. Then how many tiles you want? Then area of the floor divided by area of one tile. Okay, area of the big surface divided by area of whatever you want to paste. Then area of that one of that one. Clear? Number of tiles meaning area of the floor divided by area of one tile. Clear? Anything you want to paste. Then meter. Double the radius, that is diameter. Double the radius, diameter. Half the diameter, that is radius. Okay. Circumference. Circumference meaning total length of this arc. Total length of this arc we are calling circumference. Formula 2 pi r. This symbol we will read pi. 2 pi r. This symbol value is 22 upon 7. Sometimes we will use 3.14. 22 upon 7. Otherwise 3.14. Circumference meaning sum of total length of the arc, that is 2 pi r. Pi value is 22 upon 7. Otherwise 3.14. Okay. Area of the circle, that is pi r square. Pi meaning 22 upon 7. Sometimes we will use 3.14 more. Most of the case we will use 22 upon 7. R is the radius square. What is pi? Why we are telling that pi is 22 upon 7? Take a different radii and make circle. See, 2-3 children, you draw circle. Whatever maybe you want the radius, you can take the radius. One child take 2 centimeter, another one 3 centimeter, another one 5 centimeter. So like that, different circle with a different radius you make. After that, you find out the diameter and circumference. Diameter meaning the center, that is diameter. You take it that measurement. After that you take that thread, and from here to here that thread you put upon it and measure it from here to here, and that thread you take out and measure it with the scale. Total length of that thread here to here you measure it, that is circumference, and you divide it circumference divided by diameter. You will get every child will get a 22 upon 7, yeah, 3.14. So we are telling that pi value is 22 upon 7, the ratio of circumference and diameter. This number is called pi, and the scientist name also pi only. Pi equal to circumference divided by diameter. Now equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equi meaning equal. Lateral meaning side. All sides are equal. Equilateral triangle meaning all sides are equal. Triangle having 3 sides. 3 sides are equal. Then you add 3 sides. 3 into side. That is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle perimeter is 3 into side. Now in this chapter very important change of units. You have to change the unit. Centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, decimeter to meter, decimeter to centimeter. Like that you have to change. How you will change? You have to thoroughly study this one range. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centimilli. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centimilli. In between meter, liter and gram. When you coming down, you have to multiply 10. You are moving up, you have to divide by 10. Then you will get the answer. 1 kilo, 1 kilogram, how much gram? How many 10 are there? 10 into 10 into 10. How much? 1000. Am I right? 1 kilo equal to 1000 gram. Like that you have to do. Clear? 1 centimeter, how much milli? See, centi to milli, 10 only. Then 1 centimeter equal to 10 milli. Coming down, multiplication, moving up, division. Okay, this hierarchy you have to study. So units very important. When you will multiply, when you will divide, whatever the mathematical operation you will do, you have to make the unit same. Then only you have to get the answer correctly. Next, another one concept. This is very important. That is called the remaining part. Yeah, path area. Path area formula is big figure area minus small figure area. Path area meaning this portion is called path area. Otherwise remaining part, when you will cut out the inner circle. Okay, that is called a path area. This between the small circle and big circle, some surface is there. That surface area, that is called path area, yeah, remaining part. That path area, how you will get a big circle. From the big circle surface, you have to cut out small circle. Then you will get a path. You can see here. See, from the big circle surface, I am taking the small circle. You will get the path area. This is called a path area. What you have to do? Big circle minus small circle. Cut out this. Cut out means subtract the small circle. Now, how you will find out this area? In the question, they will give small circle radius, that is 3 centimeter, and width of this two circle is 3 centimeter. Width 3 centimeter, small circle radius 3 centimeter. Then how you will find out the big circle radius? Small circle radius is 3. Then from here to here also 3, because in a circle all radius are in same length. Here 3, and here also 3 only. And width is 3. Then 3 plus 3 you will get a 6. Then from here to here how much length? 6 centimeter. So big circle radius is 6 centimeter and small circle radius is 3 centimeter. From this you can find out big circle area minus small circle area. You will get a path. Okay, yeah, remaining path. Again I am telling path area equal to big circle. Yeah, big figure minus small figure. You will get a path. In the question they will give you width of the path. Width of the path plus small radius, you will get a big circle radius. I told like that 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter width, then you will get a big circle radius. See, clear? Like that here also, this one, this path area you have to cut out this small rectangle. See, you will get a path. Yes or no? Like that you can fold it. Path area you are getting or not? What you have to do? Big rectangle minus small rectangle. For this problem, they will give a, see, outer length of the big rectangle and length and breadth of this big rectangle. If they are giving x equal to 12, then what is the inner rectangle length? Outer rectangle 12 meaning, outer rectangle suppose 8 centimeter. Outer 8, from here to here 8. Then how you will find out from here to here? Here 2 meter, here also 2 meter. You cut out 2 meter and 2 meter. That means 2 plus 2, 4 you cut out from 8. 8 minus 4 is 4 will get. Clear? Like that here also. Outer, suppose 5 given. Then here also 2, here also 2 you cut out, 2 plus 2, 4 you cut out from 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, you will get inside. That means inside you want, you have to subtract 2 side width from your outer length. You want inside, then subtract. Outside you want, what you have to do? Outside you want, then you have to add these 2 width to inside length. Suppose 8 centimeter inside. What about out? Inside 8, then here 2, here 2. You have to add 2 plus 2, 4 and 8. That will come 12 outside. Inside suppose 5. Then what about outside? Inside meaning from here to here. Add it 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Outside you want, you have to add it. Inside measurement you want, you have to subtract the 2 side width. Now Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? This is a right angled triangle. How you know this right angled triangle? Because one angle is 90 degree. 90 degree, that means square. That 90 degree triangle, that is right angled triangle. ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled at B, then B will be 90 degree. Right angled at Q meaning Q will be 90 degree. Right angled at N meaning N will be 90 degree. Opposite of 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Here also 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle only base and perpendicular, otherwise altitude is there. What is perpendicular and altitude? 90 degree. When two lines come in triangle, two sides together, meeting point 90 degrees there, that line is called altitude or perpendicular. Base line is called base. Clear? Base and perpendicular altitude is there, 90 degrees there, then we can say that is a right angled triangle. You have to use the theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. Why you are using? For finding the hypotenuse, base, altitude. Formula is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. But you want hypotenuse length, not hypotenuse square. For that you have to take the square root of base square plus perpendicular square. What is the square root? You think it, if perpendicular is 4 and base is 3, one example I am telling. So base 3, that is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square 9, 16, 25. This symbol is called square root. What is the meaning of square root of 25? Which number 2 times multiply you will get inside the square root number. Square root number, how you will get one number multiply 2 times. Which number multiply 2 times you will get 25? 5. Then square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 49 is 7. Because 7 are 49. So 5 will get a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the biggest side of a right angle triangle. 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse. Clear? Then area of the triangle. Area of the right angle triangle formula is half base into height. half base BC into height. Height I told you 90 degree we are telling height. Then BC into half BC into AB is the area of the triangle. Same triangle we can write it like this also. See, half base is AC. Half base into height, because this is 90 degree. BD is 90 degree on AC because C square given. Okay. Then we can say half base into height. Height 90 degree is there. Okay. But both the answer will be same. If you find out half BC into AB, half AC into BD, both answers should be same. Why? Because you are finding the same triangle, two methods for finding the area. The answer should be same. You can equate that to answer. Please equate these two formula because both are same. But you are taking the different bases because different bases having different altitudes. But same triangle area must be same. Exercise 18.1. Find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Introduction part already I told you area and perimeter of a rectangle. Which formula you have to use? Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Area equal to length into breadth. That formula you use it and apply the value, you will get the answer. You check it, unit should be same. If meter and centimeter, you have to convert it into same unit. Okay, after that only you have to do the calculation. Here calculation very much accurate, then only you will get the correct answer, decimal answers. Okay, area must be in meter square and perimeter, yeah, length will be in meter, yeah, centimeter. Okay, here also length and breadth given, perimeter and area you can find out by the formula. Okay, here also meter given, multiplication should be accurate. Okay, so area in meter square and perimeter is in meter. Same length and breadth, area you have to find out and perimeter also. Here question number 2, find the area and perimeter of a square side given. Perimeter and area of a square. Area is perimeter equal to 4 into side, area equal to side into side. Side given 2.4, multiply is in meter square and perimeter is in meter. 4 into side. Okay. Now second also same. Side given, you have to find out the area, side into side, perimeter 4 into side. By calculation you will get a 25 meter square and 20 meter. Here also millimeter square you will get a, after that you convert millimeter square to meter square by dividing. See how much? 3 and 3, that means 1000 into 1000 you have to divide. 1 millimeter 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, so 4 into side also like this way you have to do. First you are getting millimeter, you convert into meter. Understood children? Fourth also side 1 meter 60 centimeter, you convert into centimeter. 1 meter 100 centimeter, 100 plus 60, 160 centimeter area. After that you convert into meter square. In introduction part I already told how to convert. Perimeter you can find out. Perimeter, how you are getting? Perimeter 4 into side, see 2 into length plus breadth. Length and breadth are same for square. So length plus length 12, 2 length, 4 into length, yeah, 4 into side. Like that only the square formula coming. 4 into side, you will get 6.4 meter. Question number 3, find the perimeter of a square. Area given 256 meter square. Area equal to side square, side into side 256. Side square equal to 256 meaning 16 into 16, that is 16 square, that is 256. Square you cut out, side equal to 16 meter. Perimeter equal to 4 into side, 4 into side 64 meter. Understood this one? Side square equal to 256, that meaning one number multiplied 2 times you are getting 256. Which number? 16. Okay. Question number 4, number of tiles. Number of tiles, number, then area by area. Area of one room divided by area of the tile. Both are in square shape, so side into side. Here also side into side. Okay. Now you are getting 6400. You have to find out the cost of tiling. Then 6400 into one tile cost is 7.50. So 6400 into 7.50, you will get a 48,000 rupees. Clear, children? Introduction part to question number 5. I already told you. Remaining path area. Path area is big rectangle minus small rectangle. Yeah, big square minus small square. Area of the path. Here square given. Square, we will think that each side is x. Path is how much width? 2 centimeter width. Both sides 2 centimeter width. So from here to here x centimeter. Then here also 2, here also 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4 will be increased with x. Then you will get it from here to here. Okay, x plus 4. Here x, then here x plus 4. Like that, here x, then here to here it will come x plus 4. Because here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. Okay. So outer square, big square x plus 4 centimeter side, inner square x centimeter side. Big square area minus small square area. X plus 4 square, side into side. Here also side into side. Okay. A plus b the whole square. You don't know the formula, I know. Then multiply. X plus 4 the whole square, meaning first you multiply x plus 4 into x plus 4. You can multiply also. How? X into x, x square, plus x into 4, 4x, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus then 4 into 4, 16. Understand? X into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 4, 16. First you multiply x with this, then 4 with this. Okay. Then 4 plus 4, 8x, x square plus 8x plus 16 minus x square. X square will be cancelled out. Okay. After you solving, you will get a x equal to 28 centimeter. Then area of the loan is side into side. 28 into 28, you will get a 784 centimeter square. Same type of question only, question number 6. See, 1.25 width is there. 7.5 centimeter inside and outer 5 centimeter. From both width is there, then you have to add with this one. Then you will get a outer 7.5, outer you will get a 10. Here you will get a 35. What you will get a 5 plus 1, 7.5. Am I right? 5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, 7.50 get here 7.5 plus 1.25 plus 1.25. So path area equal to outer one area minus inner one area. Outer 10 into 7.5, inner 7.5 into 5. Clear? You will get 37.5 meter square. Understood, children? Check it and do it. Okay. Cost of cementing. This one area, this much area per meter square 15 rupees, multiply, you will get 562.50. Question number 7. Same type of path area, meaning big one rectangle minus small one. Yeah, big one figure minus small one figure area. So outer, see, question number 7 is telling the length of the rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. Suppose breadth be x, then length be 3x. So here also 5, here also plus 5, 10. 10 will be decreased from 3x. Here 5 plus 5, 10 will be decreased from x, big x, x minus 10. Okay, inside it will be decreased, outside it will be increased. Okay, put out the value. How to multiply? First you multiply with x, 3x, x 10, 10, 3x, 10, 10. Okay, x equal to 15. Now length and breadth, you put the value, you will get Clear? Now question number 8. Question number 8 also, see here, cost of fencing. Fencing meaning perimeter, rupees 25 per meter, 2 into length plus breadth perimeter. Length given 20, breadth you have to find out, cut out, you will get a breadth equal to 12 meter. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into length 20 given, 12 you got, you will get a 64 centimeter. Area length into breadth 20 into 12 to 40 meter square. Clear children? Area of the square given 81 hectares. Hectares you convert it into meter square by multiplying 10,000. Area of the square is side square. Then cut out. This square meaning 900 square only 81, meaning 9 square is 81. 10,000 is meaning 100 square. Okay, 900 square. Square will be cut out. You will get a side equal to 900 meter. Understand? Then cost of fencing meaning perimeter into rupees 2.25. 4 into side. Perimeter equal to 4 into side. Multiply, you will get a rupees 8,100. Clear? Now question number 10. Only formula here. Same length of the rectangle x, then breadth given 3/7 of the length. The breadth of the rectangle field is 3/7 times of its length. So length is x, then breadth will be 3/7 of x. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Put it in the formula. Cross multiplication, you will get x equal to 49. That is length 49 and breadth is 3/7 of the length. You will get a 21 meter. Question number 11. Length given, breadth given. Find the cost of fencing. Fencing meaning perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth. You will get a 30 meter. Then cost of fencing meaning 1 meter 50 rupees. Then 30 meter rupees 1500. This also your one exercise problem. See, you have to find out the shaded region area. Shaded region, you can see this is a rectangle. This also rectangle and this also rectangle. One only problem, you can find out rectangle area plus rectangle area. You can get it, this shaded area. No, why? Because this rectangle and this rectangle having one portion common. Am I right? One portion common, because see this rectangle, see this full rectangle, and this rectangle middle one part is common. This angle, this rectangle also this part coming, this rectangle also this part coming. But then one time only you want this first. You have to find out this area, rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. This rectangle area equal to length into breadth. After that, what you have to do? From this rectangle, this portion length into breadth you have to subtract. What you have to do? First figure area, that is length into breadth plus length into breadth. After that, what you have to do? Subtract minus length into breadth. Okay. That in the question they will give a length and breadth. This length is same for this length also. This length is same for this. Width, in the question they will give the width. I hope everybody understood. This question very important. Question number 12. Important question. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. See, this one region area. Okay. So area, how you will find out? This rectangle area plus this rectangle area minus this much square area, because children 2 times coming this portion. Am I right? This rectangle also this portion is there, this rectangle also this portion is there. So one time only we will take out area of this rectangle plus the area of this rectangle minus one time you take out this one, because 2 times you added this portion. Okay. See here, area of the shaded region, figure 1 plus figure 2 minus figure 3. Figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. This area plus this area minus this one area. Okay, length into breadth minus, let's now see length meaning from here to here, how much length? 15 into breadth, how much? 3. 15 into 3. See, 15 into 3. Now this one length is 12. This is 12 meter, breadth 2 meter. 12 into 2 minus, this is also rectangle, breadth 3 and length 2. 3 into 2. See, 3 into 2. You will get a 63 meter square. That's all. Very important question. Practice it, children.